Hey yo, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today we got one of the most hyped up exclusive sneakers to release this year. That's right, we got them. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, we did end up hitting on the shock drop for the Nike Kobe 6 Protro, the reverse Grinch, guys. So we're gonna hop right into this thing. First off, if you do enjoy this video, make sure you guys are smashing that thumbs up button. If you are new around here, make sure you guys are hitting the subscribe button because we are cruising to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. We did just reach our 900 subscriber milestone, so thank you guys so much for that. And without further ado, guys, let us get to the unboxing and review. First off, you're going to get this all black box. Now, it is going to have the same exact reptilian scale design that is actually textured on the box. All over the box, it's going to have the Kobe logo right here with the signature. And that's pretty much as it is for this box right here. So hopefully you guys can see that right there with the Kobe logo. And then the reptile or snake print that goes all over the box right there. Label reads Kobe 6 Protro, bright crimson and black. I did go with a size 12 because you do have to go up at least half a size on all Kobe's and or Nike basketball in general because they do run a little bit narrow and tight. So here is the label for you guys. Hope you guys are able to see that in frame. I believe you should be able to. Let us open up the box, guys. Woo! Here they are, man. Oh, man. All right. So I'm going to throw up an image on the screen right now as we talk about these things. But this is the reverse Grinch. The original Grinch is right here. Was the all-over lime green with the red accents. And this is literally just the reverse. First off, I'm going to tell you guys something really quick. These things are incredibly light. This is not my first Kobe pair. Now, I have also had the GGs that released earlier this year. I did hit on those. If you want to go watch that video, make sure you guys are checking that out on the channel. I do have that video uploaded on the channel, so make sure you guys go watch that one. And man, these things are super light, like I said. Also pretty comfortable wear as well because, as the insoles say, they do mold to your foot just slightly. So you're going to get more of a comfortable wear out of these. Now, I am not an expert when it comes to Nike basketball shoes and the performance tech and all that stuff when it comes down to it. I'm just a simple shoe reviewer, so I'm not going to get you detailed descriptions on how these things are going to perform on court. If you want that, there's plenty of other channels out there for that specific type of review. We're just going to get into all the details here, guys. So, first off, all over crimson red on the Kobe's right here, and then you're strikingly going to see right off the bat that this reptilian snake print all over the sneaker is really nice. Does have a pretty cool texture on there, and honestly, like in the light too, kind of shimmers, does a little dance, so that is pretty cool. You can see that right there. Now, when it comes to the materials on the shoe, it is gonna be more of a mesh type of upper. So like underneath here, now like I said, I'm not an expert on this, but I believe it's some type of mesh, or I mean, I know that the tongue is definitely mesh, but it looks like underneath this print layer on top of the shoe is also a mesh as well. Now here's the toe box. You're going to notice too slightly that it does have a gradient effect on the toe box. It does get a little bit darker towards the toe box, and I don't know if that's because of the tongue goes down on the inside of the shoe or not, but it is a pretty cool effect. Don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that. It is kind of hard to tell on camera. However, you do get that little gradient effect, as well as on the Nike swoosh. It does have a hint of like silver as well. So hopefully you guys can see that. It does have a hint of silver, like, shine to it. But it is a black Nike swoosh. So really cool little details right there, like I said. Overall, guys, this is a pretty simple shoe. Let's be honest, not too much involved. But it is just a classic. Obviously, any Kobe is a true classic, especially for on-court wearability. Like I said, I'm not an expert in that field. I just know that these things perform crazy on court. Now, as far as the laces, guys, you are only going to get one set of laces. It is going to be that lime green, bright green set of laces right here. You do not get a red pair. This is the only lace you get, as opposed to the original Grinches where you got the lime green pair as well as a red pair. Let me know down below. I think personally Nike probably should have included at least one extra set. Let me know, guys. Are you going to rock the green? You guys going to go buy a different set of laces to go throw inside these things? You're going to get this translucent red outsole, and then when you get to the back of the heel, or the heel counter right here, it is actually looks like the Nike regrind material. So you are actually going to get a little bit of the black speckling all throughout the rubber right there on the heel. Hope you guys are actually able to see that. You are going to get the nice speckling right there on the heel. And then also that lime green Kobe logo right there, as well as the carbon fiber shank plate right in the middle of the forefoot right there. Now, when it comes to the back of the heel, you're going to get the TPU heel guard right here, which gives you more support on court, as well as the Kobe signature, which is in like the little gold script right there. So I think that is really, really dope. Hope you guys, like I said, hopefully you guys can tell this on camera. Trying to do my best here. I am going to have some actually overhead shots as well going in this review today. I'm going to try out that. And please, guys, let me know down below if you like the overhead shots down below. Trying it out, trying to up the quality of the videos just a little bit so you guys get a better viewing experience. And then as you go to the midsole, you're going to get the Nike Zoom Comfort technology right there. So, like I said, you're going to get more pep in your step, a little bit more spring action when it comes to the midsole. And then also, let's get to the tongue right here. You're going to get the Kobe logo right there on the old sock liner when it comes to the inside of the shoe. Like I said, a little sock liner. It's like a little booty when it comes to the Kobe's right there as far as the tongue goes. Now, guys, on the insole as well, it will say, I want a shoe that molds to my foot. It is a really cool design cue right there. I'm not going to take the insoles out, but I am going to throw an image up on the screen right now, so you guys are actually able to see that in some nice detail. Like I said, pretty cool design, pretty cool detail, and it actually is also in like the Grinch print. So if you ever watch the movies, it does have the same font as the movie The Grinch does have. So like I said, another cool design cue, and guys, these things are one of the most hyped sneakers of the year. Let me know if you guys were excited for these things. Did you hit on the shock drop? Please let me know down below in the comments section. Luckily, your boy was actually able to hit. So, surprising, I actually hit 2 Kobe's this year on my Nike sneakers account, which is shocking because I don't hit any really exclusive pairs at all when it comes to my sneakers app. So, you know what? I'll take it. I'll take the nice W. But yeah, like I said, guys, are you guys excited for these things? So the official release for these guys is actually going to be December 16th. So you are going to have more opportunities to buy this thing. Let's get into a little bit of the resale right now. So as far as resale goes for the Nike Kobe 6 Protro Reverse Grinch, they are currently going downhill, guys. These things started originally at that $1,000+ price point in like all sizes. And right now, as I'm making this video, they have currently dipped to the high 500 range, and some current sizes are sitting between like $400 and $450. So these things are going to be going down after market resale price as far as that is concerned. Now, the reason for that being, I believe, guys, is honestly because these things are going to be everywhere. Like, as far as I'm concerned, I mean, the Flex app is going to have them. I believe that they also should release on Finish Line and JD Sports, as well as potentially Dick's Sporting Goods. So there is going to be a much wider release for these things that I think was originally anticipated, as well as that second sneakers release, which is going to be on December 16th, as well as there will be exclusive access for these things as well. And with all that being said, guys, let me know all of your thoughts and opinions down below in the comment section. Like I said, are you excited for these things? Do you want to cop? Did you cop already? And just wait, guys. Wait for these things on resale to dip a little bit before you guys have to pull that trigger on the aftermarket, because wait for after the official release when a lot more pairs will be in circulation. Price should come down on these things, so if you are really looking forward to these things, you should be able to get them for retail. And if you can't secure a retail W, hopefully these things are not going to be going crazy after all of the releases that are scheduled. And that's going to do it for me, guys. So, like I said, like the video if you did enjoy it. Also, please hit the subscribe button if you are new around here. I really would love to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. And that's pretty much going to do it for this review, guys. So, my name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill. And the Reverse Grinch and myself, we're out. Peace.